Hey there, today I'll show you how to use American Express gift card on eBay. It's very easy to do. An American Express gift card is a prepaid card that can be used to make purchases. You can buy Amex gift cards online in participating stores, banks, and malls. It is great for birthdays, holidays, and other occasions. It can be used to reward customers and employees. It also can be used for promotions, sweepstakes, customer referrals, loyalty, incentives, and more. So let's see how you can use it. For this, first go to ebay.com and select the product which you want to buy. For example, I'm selecting the sneakers. After selecting your item, then select buy it now. Then you will see your payment option. From here, select add new card and enter your Amex card details, its expiration date and security code. Then select done and then select confirm and pay, and that's it. That's how you can use American Express gift card on eBay.